in the way. Going down.
Loser.
Hello.
Hi.
We got back from Vietnam about a week ago.
We go.
It took us a while to get back into the swing of things here, but now we're ready to finish decorating our apartment. So this is the entrance to the veranda. And we have this lovely blue floor that we are going to cover using this.
I bought $6.
Let's do this. This thing is in the way. This garden bed. Because look, I'm putting this piece down.
Okay.
And even though there's enough space, these little things are crashing into this.
Oh, how about cut these?
Can you cut this?
Of course, we have a knife. This.
This is really hard plastic, baby.
Oh, I have an idea. Wait.
It does look really nice.
We can use that. We can use the empty bottle. We can put this bottom, then it will high, and the water will down. What? Water is coming from the line, the hose.
Yep. And all these rocks that we cleaned are gonna get wet again. Ah! Someone's taking a break.
We're going to using the plastic, the garden.
Ah! So he put water bottles under the garden bed. Hopefully it works. We're taking a little stroll down Han River and we're gonna try to make it to World Cup Park. We don't really know where the entrance is, so we're just, hopefully we can find it. So scary.
Oh.
Huh?
There are clams. Clams house.
I've been here once before. It was literally like 3 days ago, but it was already nighttime when I came, so I didn't really see what was in this park, and it's really nice.
It's great.
This is your first time, right?
Yeah, my first time.
Oh, it's a little doggy. did it the other day. Oh yeah. We haven't even ordered yet.
Yes. Korean pancake.
You're going down. You're going down.
I'm finished. She's still doing.
How did you finish so fast?
Loser. For two.
How did you finish so fast? I don't even know what place I'm in.
The number 7?
Number 7? Yay! I was at number 11.
Better than before.
Better than last time. Our eyes hurt.
My eyes too.
Out the sun!